How to download your data on PayPal. Are guys facing issues to download your data on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the PayPal app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to the section where you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on data and privacy. After you click on it, you can see the option for download your data. Tap on it. You can choose your file format over here. Just click on menu and select the format that you want to receive. After you select it, tap on submit your request. After you click on submit, PayPal will send your data on your email address. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to receive data on PayPal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.